Hello everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bowie on the Blockchain, a crafty NFT project celebrating David Byrne's musical legacy is set to launch on September 13. The project is being launched in conjunction with OpenSea alongside the three outfit. We Love Art is a will feature work from 9 different artists who were all inspired by their love for the legendary artist. According to statement of davidbowie.com, Bowie on the blockchain was launched with the approval of the Byrne estate. The statement also talked about the ideology behind the project. Bowie on the blockchain bring together 9 of today leading artists in the NFT space who have created their own unique way, paying homage to David Bowie and his influence across their artistic and personal identities. The 9 digital artists who contribute to the project are David VOC, Glenn Beck, J.K., Jonathan Wolf, Leona Young, and Six Oceans, and Nadia Tolokniva of Pussy Riot. Describing the late artist, reporter Toloknikova of Pussy Riot said in a statement, David Bowie to me is reflection idea of the artist, charismatic, patient, imaginative, magnetic, and he also puts art courage and suppression over profit, a magician at a most. I mean, away and will always be David Bowie in my day. NFT project has not always been referred well by friends. However, the boys of the blockchain projects hope the April to its friends as 100% of the profit will be donated to care, a charity dedicated to save life, defeat poverty, and aid social justice by putting women and girls in the center. The project is being launched in conjunction with OpenSea alongside Web3 Outfit. We also art in a will feature from 9 different artists. The development comes just days before the much anticipated merge event, which will see the large blockchain move from a proof of work PO to a proof of stake POC conscious merchant. According to the press release, the staking projects will create to the growing demand from institutional clients for DeFi and staking service following the latest edition SIBA. A staking management platform now supports several protocols including Ethereum, ETH, and Tezos, with plans to enable other points in the future, commencing of the from clients for such service and the merge itself, Sibang Bank as head of technology and client solution, Matthias Such said. The Ethereum merge is anticipated and significant milestone for the world, a second large cryptocurrency, delivering improvements for end user across the areas of security, scalability, and the launch of the ETH staking service will enable institutional investors to play a key role in scoring the future of the network via Ether's scores and fully regulate cryptocurrency. ETH staking service enable clients to earn reward in a flexible and accessible manner, with the rewards profit on monthly basis, lock-up periods available. Meanwhile, the Ethereum in and the number of files and stake ETH has reached all-time high on the price time daily activity price store over 100, while the amount of stake ETH is more than 13.5 million. In a blog post on September 7, Binance US announced the launch of an ETH staking service with over a user in internal annual accept yield of 6%. The 6% APA offered by Binance is almost twice what over exchange over for explain Coinbase over ETH staking with an APA of 0.28%, while Lindo fins over AP. In addition, while the direct stocking and ETH network require a minimum of 32 ETH to be locked, Binance just announced that allow as 0.001 ETH can be staked on the platform. Speaking about the support, Binance US CEO Brian Short said, ETH plays a crucial role in the broad Web3 ecosystem, and as ETH network continues to transition towards the merge, we were trying to now offer ETH staking. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you!